In this video, I am going to explain you how to create ResearchGate profile. Before going to start, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. So let us start. ResearchGate is a European commercial social networking site for scientists and researchers to share papers, ask and answer questions and find collaborators. If you want to share your research, or if you have any questions or any doubts regarding your research field, area of research, then you can ask the question or you can do the collaborative work. So this is very helpful social networking site like Google Scholar. How you can also create a ResearchGate profile and you can share your research work within your field or the scientific community. So what you have to do to create the research profile, first go to the browser and click search ResearchGate, click on the first link and you are taken to this interface. This is the interface of ResearchGate. You can log in if you have already created. If you are first time user, you should create a profile before going to log in. Here you can see on this website, discover scientific knowledge and stay connected to the world of science. So if you want to create the profile, click on join for free. Once you click on join for free, or if you want to register, so here you are going to have this information. If you are an academician or student, you can go for the first option. If you are corporate or government or NGO, you are playing the role, then you can go for the second option. And if you are the healthcare professional including clinical research, you can go for this option. If you are not a researcher, journalist, citizen, so scientist or anyone interested in reading, discovering research, also they can log in. So especially the research students or PhD students, those who want to share their research work or want to have the collaborative work, or if you have to learn more in your field, you can communicate. So then first option is for them, academician or student. University students and faculty, institute members and independent researchers go for this first option. So once you click on this, here they are going to ask your institution and department. So I am going to fill here my institution name, Gulbarga University. Once you click your institute name, it already displayed here. So Gulbarga University, India, Gulbarga. Then click on that, and department also you should add here. Department of Physics, you can either search or write here. So I am going to search here my department. So Department of Physics, Department of PG Studies and Research in Physics. So then click on continue. Once you click on that, you are going to this details. Read the latest publication in your field or whatever the scientific work that has been done, you can read about that once you create the profile. So here first fill the complete name, last name, country or region you can select the country and your institutional email. One more thing I want to share with you. To create a ResearchGate profile, you need compulsory your institutional email ID. Your Gmail ID is not going to be considered here. Once you have your institutional email ID, then only you can create the ResearchGate app or profile. Here, if you go to the Google Scholar, you can create your profile using Gmail, but here they are going to ask your institutional email ID compulsory. Okay. So here, as I have included my institute name, please use your Gulbarga University email address. You can get from your institute, and there is a procedure to get the email ID. You have to communicate to your computer section in your institute. They are going to create the institutional email ID, and they are going to provide you the email ID with password. Then you can easily create the ResearchGate profile. So you can instantly gain access to the ResearchGate once you have the institutional email ID. And then password you can create yourself for the ResearchGate profile. Okay, these details you should fill: first name, last name, country, your institutional email ID, password, and click on here I agree to the terms and policies and click on continue. Once you click on continue, you are going to have the message on your Gmail, institutional email ID, because you have given institutional email ID. Once you click on continue, you are going to have the details to your institutional email ID, and you can log into the ResearchGate. Okay, this is how you can create the ResearchGate profile, because already I have created using my institutional email ID. So once again I cannot uh, use here. So already my profile has been created using the institutional email ID. So if you have institutional email ID and you are a new user, please fill all these details to create the profile. Okay. Then next, once you create the ResearchGate profile, then go to the login section. Okay. So here I will show you how to log in. So here you should click on login. So fill your institutional email ID and password, and you are going to logged into your profile. Here you can see I have logged into my ResearchGate profile. So this is my ResearchGate profile. Once if you join into research or PhD, you can get the institutional email ID. Immediately you can log into the ResearchGate. So when I was pursuing my PhD, I have got the institutional email ID from the institute, and thereafter I have created my ResearchGate profile. So these are all my research publications. Here the numbers they are, you can observe 20. So this is all about my ResearchGate profile. Here you can edit your profile anytime. They have given here to edit your profile option. You should add your institute and skills, your complete details. So you can also write about yourself, edit introduction, discipline, in which area you are working, skills, experience, language, contact information, activity on ResearchGate. So here whatever the research papers, related to me when I am active. I am going to upload all the research articles on the ResearchGate, so they are going to be read by within your research area. This is how you can communicate to the different parts of the world, I can say all over the world. So these all are my publication. Here affiliation, in which institute you are working you can add, and whatever the grants or awards you got you can add. Also memberships or ORC ID also you can add. And here you can see the to whom you are following, and the followers, and the top co-authors of your research work. So you especially uh, this is very, I can say, very useful for the researchers or the research students. And here you can see my research interest score and citations. Especially if you want to have the citations for your paper, you can clearly have how many citations for your research work right now. This is H index, how many times the research article has been cited, maximum time. So for your research article, the citations means who has studied your research article and they have included in their research paper, that is going to get the credit for you. That is what the citations. For ResearchGate also, with the help of ResearchGate also, you are going to identify who has cited your article, and also Google Scholar. So citations are very important. So who are actually reading your research work, and that is very essential. So this is how you can create the ResearchGate profile. I hope this video is helpful for you. If it is helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.